For the past 2 decades, we've been entrenched in counterinsurgency operations, fighting in the shadows while our near-peer adversaries stood back, studied our every maneuver, and quietly evolved.
Global conflicts escalate. Lines where fighting has intensified. Global markets react to the unfolding crisis.
Now, a far more urgent question looms. Can we detect, deter, and neutralize the next great conflict before it ever reaches our shores? As a notional example, imagine a long-range deployment of the PLA Navy just south of the Singapore Strait. To gain situational awareness and support tactical, operational, and strategic decisions, Singapore's Defence Command and its allied partners rely on 3D city mapping powered by satellite imagery and AI. While closely monitoring the PLA exercise, our AI models, analyzing satellite and maritime data, detected an unusual surge in vessel movements to the west. Ship detection algorithms flagged a tight cluster of fishing boats just southeast of Changi Naval Base. An activity model revealed that the vessels were lashed beam to beam, suggesting an ulterior motive and raising the risk of a potential blockade. As a global maritime hub handling over 30% of the world's transshipment traffic, Singapore depends heavily on freedom of navigation through these straits. There's a good chance your phone or computer contains components that pass through this very route. Any disruption here could trigger cascading effects across global supply chains. As the Defense Command monitors the situation closely with partner nations, a new alert arrives from our commercial satellite and map providers. The PLA destroyer Tianwei has gone dark, no longer appearing on any feeds. Previously anchored at a naval base on China's east coast, it is now confirmed missing by our map detection engine. Leveraging very low Earth orbit, VLEO, satellite imagery, and AI-powered 3D city reconstruction, Vizzio redefines geospatial intelligence, projecting likely courses for Tianwei, flagging the high-risk eastern corridor through the exercise zone and the fishing boat cordon, and rapidly pinpointing the critical choke point near Pedra Branca. Ultra-high-resolution imagery is immediately queued for targeted assessment. Based on available assets and operational range, the system recommends launching a patrol flight from the nearest suitable airbase. The multi-role aircraft lifts off, streaming live video back to the Defense Command's Operations Center. A ship identification model measures Tianwei's length, speed, and armament with pinpoint accuracy. An operator verifies the track, confirming the destroyer is on the most dangerous vector, just hours away from cutting off Singapore's main shipping lanes. While this scenario is hypothetical, situations like these happen far more often than most realize, where a single oversight or delayed response could escalate into a global crisis, putting millions of lives and livelihoods at risk. In these high-stakes moments, Vizzio delivers Earth-scale 3D mapping and real-time geospatial intelligence, providing the precision, clarity, and speed that defense, security, and emergency teams need to make informed decisions and safeguard the world.